FTX Crypto Investment Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to FTX are in the description below. In this video, I'll review FTX, highlighting its features, target audience, and whether it's a solid choice for your crypto investments. FTX is a crypto exchange and derivatives platform that has quickly gained popularity for its user-friendly interface and comprehensive suite of trading products. It caters to both beginner and advanced traders by offering a range of services from spot trading to complex derivatives, including futures, options, tokenized stocks, and prediction markets. One of FTX's standout features is its low trading fees, which are competitive compared to many other platforms, especially if you use their native token FTT to pay for fees. For spot trading, FTX offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and many others, with deep liquidity across pairs. But the real appeal lies in their futures and options markets, which offer leverage up to 101 HEX on certain contracts. This is ideal for experienced traders looking to speculate on crypto price movements or hedge their portfolios. The platform is also known for its user-friendly mobile app and advanced charting tools, making it easy for traders to manage their positions on the go. Security is a top priority on FTX. The platform offers two-factor authentication, 2FA, and cold storage for the majority of user funds, ensuring assets are protected. In addition, FTX has a solid reputation for its risk management practices, including insurance funds for covering any liquidation losses. One downside is that while FTX offers a lot of advanced features, it can be overwhelming for new traders. If you're a beginner or someone looking for simple trading, you might find the vast number of options and advanced tools a bit much. In conclusion, FTX is a great choice for active traders and those interested in crypto derivatives, but beginners might want to start slow. Check out the links in the description to start using FTX today.